Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about another classification of colloidal solutions. Classification of colloids based on interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So simply dispersed phase is the solute particles, dispersion medium is the solvent particles. So based on the interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium, colloidal solutions are two types. One is lyophilic sols, second one is lyophobic sols. So what are lyophilic sol? Lyophilic sol means these are solvent. What is solvent loving? So it is the solvent loving. It means dispersion medium is much affected from dispersed phase. Dispersed medium much attracted by much affinity by the dispersion medium. It means much affinity present in between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called lyophilic sols. So these are known as what is solvent loving sols. So then lyophobic sols means no much affinity, much attractive nature, no much affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called lyophobic. What is lyophobic sols? These are the solvent hating. These are the solvent hating sols. These are solvent hating, lyophobic. Solvent loving is lyophilic. It means much affinity, much interactions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called lyophilic. There is no interactions, there is no affinity, attractions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called lyophobic. Actually, lyophilic sols are prepared from high molecular weight of organic compounds. High molecular weight of organic compounds. So that is starch, proteins, cellulose, gums, gelatin, rubber, what is rubbers, etc. These are all the lyophilic sols. So same as lyophobic sols are prepared from inorganic materials. What are inorganic materials? Like silver, iron, what is hydroxides of metals, aluminum hydroxide, iron hydroxide, arsenic sulfides, smoke, cloud, gold sol. These are all the examples of lyophobic sols. So mainly lyophilic means much affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Lyophobic means no affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. These are solvent loving, these are the solvent hating sols. So now the differences between lyophilic sols and lyophobic sols. What are the differences? So then it is explained with what is table or formula. So then property, it is the lyophilic sols, these are the lyophobic sols. So first one is preparation methods. So preparation of lyophilic sols are easily by natural or normal or usual methods, but the lyophobic sols are prepared by some special methods. What is some special methods? So now next one is the second property is nature. So then what is nature? Actually very little or no charge, of the lyophilic sols, but the lyophobic sols positive charge or negative charge, particles are present in lyophilic sols. So next one is stability. Third property is stability. So much attractions are present. So these are the more stable. So leophilic souls are more stable because much affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So it is a less stable because no very much affinity between dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. So next one is action of electrolytes. What is electrolytes means? For example, aqueous NaCl, aqueous KCl, like that. These are all the electrolytes. So the reaction of electrolytes, so they not be easily precipitated. Precipitation means insoluble compound. It is obtained bottom of the container as a semi-solid state. So not be easily precipitated. But leophobic salts are easily precipitated. So then easily precipitated, these are separated from the aqueous solutions. So the next property is the salvation. Salvation means hydration, hydrated. So it is the highly hydrated. Hydrated means with water. Highly hydrated. It is the weakly hydrated. Weakly hydrated. So next property is the viscosity. What is viscosity? So then viscosity of the leophilic source is much higher. What is much higher than that of medium. Medium means dispersion medium. So then much higher than that of the medium. So then it is the same. What is the same? Viscosity is the same for the leophobic soles than that of the medium. So medium viscosity and leophobic sole viscosity is similar or same. But the viscosity of leophilic soles are much higher than that of the medium. So next one is a surface tension. What is a surface tension? So actually surface tension value of the leophilic soles are lower than that of the medium. But the leophobic soles surface tension is same. But is the same that of medium. It is lower that of medium. It is the same that of medium. So next one is visibility. What is a visibility? Visibility means finding nature, determining nature, detecting nature. So leophilic soles cannot be easily detected. What is cannot be easily detected? Not easily detected even under ultra microscopes also. So then visibility is leophilic soles cannot be easily detected even with microscope, ultra microscope also. But the leophobic soles are readily detected. What is readily detected with the help of ultra microscopes. Ultra microscope. It is a difference between leophilic and leophobic sole with respect to visibility. So next one is reversibility. What is a reversibility means? What is forward, backward reactions takes place. So then leophilic soles are reversible. What are reversible? But leophobic soles are the irreversible. What is irreversible? So reversibility of the leophilic soles are reversible. Leophobic soles are irreversible. So next one, last one is Tyndall effect. What is a Tyndall effect? So then it is the weak Tyndall effect. So weak Tyndall effect present in leophilic soles. So then leophobic soles are exhibit. What is exhibit Tyndall effect? It means more Tyndall effect is present in or highly Tyndall effect present in leophobic soles. So generally leophilic soles are prepared from high molecular weight of, what is the high molecular weight of organic compounds, high molecular weight of organic compounds. Example, starch, what is gelatin, what is glue, gum, proteins, rubbers. These are all the examples of lyophilic soils. So then, examples of the lyophobic soils. What are the examples of lyophobic soils? So generally, these are prepared from inorganic materials. What are inorganic materials? Like silver, it is arum, and the hydroxides of the metals and sulfides of the non-metals. So hydroxides of the metal means aluminium hydroxide, AlOH taken thrice. Iron hydroxide, FeOH taken thrice. Sulfide of the arsenic, non-metal. Arsenic is the non-metal. It is the arsenic sulfides. Same as smoke, cloud, gold soul. These are all the examples of the lyophilic soils. So it means simply classification of colloids based on the interactions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is two types. One is lyophilic, another one is lyophobic. Lyophilic soils means these are the solvent loving. Lyophobic means these are the solvent hating. So solvent loving means much affinity, much interactions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called lyophilic. No affinities in between dispersed phase and a dispersion medium is called solvent hating. So these are the classification of colloids on the basis of interactions of dispersed phase and dispersion medium.